Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When you write a letter of authorization, you clearly specify the name of the person, date of authorization together with duties that you are authorizing the person to perform. So if in the future they do more or less than what they were allowed to do, the document can be referred to verify.
Let's help you make your mark.
A power of attorney is usually a multiple-page, formal document that must comply with state laws. A letter of authorization, in contrast, is typically less than a page long and relatively informal, and while it may be honored by the person receiving it, it's not state law to accept it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.